That's my avatar. I don't look like that, but that's what I have created. Okay. And then multiplayer. Create a new game. It's a private game between Ahsan and I. Next. Ahsan is right there, so I'm going to select him. There is a train going there. There you go. The train, Golf Plus train. Bazooka, I don't know, bogey or something like that. So it's all golf themed. Playing ground. And the tees are at the back. Game starts. Alright, I'm waiting for Ahsan to come. Are you there, Ahsan? This is a city golf course, public golf course. Pitch and putt only. Austin, Texas. Alright. Are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Have to mute you because echo is coming.
Muting.
So you have to speak loud to be recorded just in case. Okay, start the game. No wager. It's a brotherly game. All right. Start. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It hit right there. That's coming good. That's coming very good. Whoa! What a shot, man. What a shot. Okay, you are in front of me. All right. Let me see if I can make. I made it. Birdie. Good bird, man. Good bird. All right. Hole number 2. 89 yards. And sandwich. Okay, sandwich. Sandwich. Okay. Can it come back? Yeah, it's coming back a little bit. All right, not bad, not bad. I have a hope here. There you go. Oh, a little bit hard. Let me get away from your side. Okay, that means the flow is a little bit that way. Thank you for the line. Can it? Yes. Did you make par? Ah, the train is there. Ha! Look at this train. Among the trees. Next hole. 76 yards. Look at this ice cream truck. All right. All right. It's coming good. It's coming good. Yeah, better than mine. And I'll give you a line. Go, 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 go. Oh, it turned. Boom. What a bird. Good birdie, good birdie. Well, you have the command now. Oh, you came here? Okay. $77. Okay. Oh, it hit right there. Okay, where are you? Oh, you're there, okay. Good. One. Very nice. All right. Let me replay myself so that people can see my avatar. There you go. That's my avatar. Replaying myself. Boom. There you go. That's how you replay and see your own avatar. Next hole. Yeah, can you bring yourself down? ریزک خدا بخاطر که در ویدیو صحیح معلوم نمیشه. Alright. The red area means out of bound. You see, when I push the button, red areas, those are out of bound. I think the train is coming, so I want to see the train in the recording. Oh yeah. Look at this train. Ha! Train is going that way into the city. Okay, some recording of the train here. 102 yards away. All right. Oh, it's coming. Don't go more than that. Oh man, it went. Okay, it stopped. It's on the green. It's coming good too. And it will come back. Go, 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 go. Oh, it stopped. Careful, you have a slope. It took the turn to the left a little bit. Can I make it? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let me replay again myself and see in the recording. There you go. Boom. There you go. That's me. Alright. Otherwise I cannot see myself unless I replay. 70 yards away, giving me. What is giving me? Lob wedge. Okay. Alright, it just stopped there. It hit right there. Right there. Alright. Better. Alright. What is that? 18.8 feet away. Oh man. More power needed. Oh! You were robbed. Oh man! No way! Okay. My bogey. There's a train coming here. There you go. What happened? Still moving? 109 yards. Okay. And it came down. Just like yours. Where is yours? Right there, okay. Let me see what you do so that I can take your line. Oh, man. It came back. Okay. Oh, I missed. Too much. Came back? Alright, it came back. A little bit. Replay. I'm doing myself a replay. That's me. I'm replaying myself. There you go, that's me. Replaying. Boom. And There you go. Thanks, buddy. That's me. Thanks. Yeah, in this virtual game, you can say thanks to yourself in the replay. Oh! Is that your birdie shot? Par shot? Okay. Good par. Last hole. There's an airplane somewhere. I don't know where. Oh man, I don't see airplane. Parking lot. People are parking on the grass. There is a train again. Bazooka Industries. Tough Green, Bazooka Golf Plus, Bogey. Alright. Alright, I made a bird. Nice game, nice game, nice game, nice game.